Hi, welcome back to Christine's Home Affairs, and today I'm going to show you how I make my Aussie style Capricciosa pizza. So it's just the topping that goes on top of the pizza. This is my pizza base that I've already prepared. It's got 3 ingredients, and if you want to see how I make that, pop over to my other video where I've shown you how to make this really nice mozzarella cheese base, pizza base. So that's what we need most importantly. And the other things that we've actually got in this pizza are button mushrooms, we've got a red capsicum or red pepper, I've got a red onion, and I've got some shredded ham, you can use pieces of bacon, and pepperoni salami, and anchovies, we love anchovies. And then of course we've got our pizza sauce, which I'm actually going to extend with some olive oil. So I'll stick around and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Oh yeah, olives as well. We love olives. So all of these ingredients are completely optional. You may or may not like all of them. You may hate everything that I have on here. But once you've got the pizza base, you can pretty much put anything you like on there. Grab your pizza sauce. You can use normal tomato paste if you like as well. If you want to add some herbs to it, you can. I'm just using this pizza sauce. It's not the one I usually use, but I figured this one was easier to get out. And I extend it with olive oil. I find that the tomato is just a little bit too strong. If I extend it with olive oil, it reminds me of the nice greasy pizzas that I used to have when I was a kid. So just mix that through until the olive oil and the tomato has all blended. Okay, so now that my pizza sauce is ready, I'm ready to start assembling my pizza. So keep the pizza on the tray that's just come out of the oven, and just spread some tomato sauce over the top. So the first thing I like to put on is my shredded ham. And this actually withers away to not much when it's in the oven, so it looks like it's going to be quite full when I assemble it. But it does actually go down to not much at all. So you might think that I'm being really generous. I am. If you're going to have a pizza, you want to have good toppings. Now if you wanted to, you could be really adventurous and have some extra cheese on there as well, because after all, pizza always has shredded cheese on top. But I don't, it's enough that I've got cheese on the base. So the pepperoni salami, just spread that out. And then I like to put some onion on there, just really finely sliced. So I've got extra ingredients here because I'm actually making 3 big pizzas. We're going away next week for a few days, so we'll have a picnic of pizzas one of those days. And some mushroom. We like mushroom. and some red peppers, and then I want to put some olives on there. So these are pitted olives, they're whole. I just like to break them open and spread them around the pizza. And then the best part of the whole pizza is anchovies. Absolutely love anchovies. So I do just break it up, tear it down the sides to make it a little bit thinner. Put big pieces on if you really love your anchovies, but I just like them all over the place. And that's it. We don't have to put anything else on the pizza, at least not on this one. As I said, if you want to try other ingredients, you go for it. The pizza base is really easy. It's my 1, 2, 3 pizza base. Link is up there. Toppings are all delicious. This is going into the oven, 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. I want to make sure my salami is nice and cooked, and my ham and everything else that's on there as well. The mushrooms will wilt nicely. Around about 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes as well. That'll come down to personal taste though. All right, just out of the oven, 15 minutes, 200 degrees Celsius. One Aussie style Capricciosa pizza with the 1, 2, 3 or 3, 2, 1 easy pizza base recipe. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I'm going to go and enjoy my pizza. Actually, I might enjoy it tomorrow. It's 9 o'clock at night, a bit late. Pizza for breakfast. See you next time.